SUPCASE sent us their Unicorn Beetle MacBook Neo case for the 13-inch laptop, so we can show you the features, let you know our thoughts. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box and see what it looks like. All right, so here it is out of the box. You can see it does have two parts to it. This is the top part that's going to go over the top of your laptop. It does have bumper guards on all sides. They act like airbags to protect in case of drops. The clear case is very, very nice, and it is going to show your logo, your MacBook logo there, if that's important to you. Also, if you have stickers on your computer, you'll be able to see the stickers as well. Here is the bottom of the case. As you can see, it does have air holes there to allow your laptop to breathe. And it is elevated, so it does have little rubber feet on all sides, also to prevent it from slipping. What that also is going to do is elevate this off of the surface to allow that air to continue to flow from your laptop, so it does not overheat. The case provides easy access to all your ports. As you can see, it has all the necessary cutouts there. So this is a great case, very sturdy, very sleek. I love the clear aspect of it, that you can still see your laptop, but it also provides the protection in case of any drops or falls. So that's really nice, and we love the SUPCASE and would highly recommend.